My job here is simple: to remind you why you still need a first aid kit in your company, in your homes, and even in your car. 1. It helps prevent complications and infections. These minor injuries that could end up in the emergency room can be avoided if you make use of your first aid kit. A simple migraine can be avoided with maybe a pain relief or a painkiller rather than waiting until you are rushed and admitted. It also saves you time, it saves you cost, and even downtime at work. For employees who have to rush to the pharmacy or go to the nearby hospital, for those who do not know about telemedicine app, they might use these options. I don't need to tell you to download the app anyway. These issues can be avoided. You just give the person the painkillers or ORS, and now they can quickly go back to work and increase their productive hours. These and more reasons why you need a first aid kit. But now let's go to 3 or 4 main areas. The first is wound care. You need some materials or stuff to treat wounds. And here we are talking about the almighty plaster. You need plaster. You need alcoholic pad. This is for disinfection, it helps to clean the surfaces so that you can treat a wound. You also need non-adherent pad. There are 2 actually. We have non-adherent and then other adherent pad. So you need all these. You need your gauze, you need your cotton bud. To treat your wounds, you need your sterile and all that. Some also use ventilated spirits. You need all these in your first aid kit as we have here. And then there is also ointments and painkillers. And what are we talking about? Painkillers like paracetamol. And there are other brands, other painkillers that you can make good use of depending on the pain. I would advise that you do not self-medicate. Make sure you have a health and safety personnel at work, or you have a family doctor like ExpressMed that you can call when these issues happen quickly on phone or on our app, so that you can ask a few questions before you take the necessary steps. And then yes, one of my very favorite aboniki of ointments. Once you experience some pains in some parts of your body, external parts of your body, you can use this hot ointment to immediately rub it gently. You can also get some at Coco Clinic. Very good one. I recommend both. You can get these ointments and keep it in your first aid box so that once you have these pains, you can use them. Then there are other items like ORS. In case you are passing stool excessively, you can use ORS, and then you read the instructions carefully before you use that. And then the last thing will be like emergency stuff like scissors and other ointments. Yes, I have a lot of things in here, but the good thing is they are available for purchase. You can order them if you are in any part of Accra, or if you are in Ghana, nationwide delivery is available. Just hit us up in our comment section and we'll do well to deliver one to your company, to your home, or to you wherever you are. You can also let us know. We can customize it for you in case you need some essential materials in your first aid kit. So it's that simple. It's not even difficult to get one. It's not difficult at all. I know sometimes you might not get it in a pharmacy, or you might get it, but not with all the things you need. At ExpressMed, your first aid kit can contain everything that you need. Just place an order and then you get it. So please, guys, we don't want to hear that none of you doesn't have a first aid kit in their company, home, or vehicle. So order now and make good use of it, and you will thank us later. Don't forget to subscribe. There are more health contents coming your way, relevant ones. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. Share with your friends. And lastly, download the ExpressMed app, the leading provider of accessible preventive healthcare in Ghana. Anytime, anywhere, you can talk to a team of medical professionals. Enjoy 30 days free trial before you sign up for a monthly subscription. All right, guys, stay safe and catch you another time.